Breakfast time, breakfast time. It is a breakfast time. Машенька, Машенька, Дашенька. О, черненький пришел. Черненький проголодался.
I want to feed the Tronish extra. He did a good job with the rat.
Yeah. If you feed him extra, then he will not be catch the rats.
Oh, you're right. You're right.
And if you're not hungry anymore. Oh, breakfast time, breakfast time. We get a turkey and beef breakfast today. We have here Glasha, we have Masha, Marta, Киллерша и Черныш. Да, Черныш, вот он там кушает. Кушает наш Черныш. Ваня его подкармливает. Он вчера у нас крыску словил большую. Молодец. We got a cat statue here. Breakfast time, breakfast time. It's good the duck is not here because otherwise will be gone 1, 2, 3.
They don't even care that they're eating their own brothers and sisters. Like there's chicken and turkey
they don't have understanding.
Turkey and chicken being given, and they're like, looks good.
They don't have understanding about this. They're just eating to survive. That's it. So guys, we have a beautiful feral kittens. If you're looking to adopt one, call us 561-388-1015. It's like 7.5 months already, and this is it. Oh, you found the coconut? Yeah, look at this big Davy come. He also want to get some piece of turkey. No, he don't want a coconut. He want to get a piece of food. Big Davy. This is our neighbor cat. He's a very nice, very friendly, very adorable, big old kittens. He got one eyes is not real, it's a glass eyes. У него один глазик сделан из стекла. То есть у него операция была, что у него один глазик не настоящий. Oh, see, he's also he love this food, so he come to the feral kittens. He's a house cat, but he come here to eat also because he like this food. See? And this is the outside street cats who eating, sitting here. They eating breakfast, lunch, and dinners. Yeah? And Davy is coming visit these kittens because he wanna get a real food instead dry food. Everybody like real food. Human food is better.
Wish they could learn transmission rebuilding.
Yeah, this is kittens like 7.5 months ago. They was born in this car. Now they live under this car.
It looks newish, right?
Yeah, it is.
How is it good?
Yeah, if you feel something inside, you can open with. Oh yeah, you can open with drill. It's a coconut.